Hey everybody, it's been brought to my attention that lately I've been drinking a little heavier than usual, so friends, family, they kind of been concerned. So tonight we're gonna do sober food with Puddin. Come on over here, I'll tell you about the meal, show you how we get it done, okay? Stay tuned. I'm just fucking with you, everybody. It's not in this episode of Drunken Food with Puddin. We have unpaid corporate sponsor, Jim Beam Bourbon, and also making a special guest appearance, we have 100 proof Rumple Mints. And on the menu tonight, we have hot ham and cheese sandwiches. We have the ham in the oven. I tell you what, bring your glasses with you. We're gonna show you how we get it done. And remember, gotta stay hydrated. All right, everybody. As I said, we got hot ham and cheese sandwiches here. We've got the ham in the oven finishing up. And for cheeses on this, we've got Velveeta sharp cheddar slices. We have got the Swiss single slices, and we got some shredded Velveeta cheddar slice deal here. That's all right. Hold on here. And to make a little bit of a sauce of it, we've got Hellmann's Real Mayonnaise, and we've got some Kraft horseradish sauce. We're going to do a 2-to-1 in the favor of the horseradish. And then we got some liquid butter that we're going to melt up. We're going to cover over it. It's going to be perfect. Tell you what, stop on by here. We're going to get it figured out. I have a little bit of a drinky poo at the moment here. I'll tell you what, that Rumple Mints is the sweetest candy, but I think I need some bourbon. Oh, shit. I'm out of bourbon. Bartender. Oh. Well, thanks, buddy. You ask, you shall receive. Cheers to you. Alright, now we've got the ham out of the oven. It's going to be ready to go. Just to place on the buns here in just a minute. We've got some mixture between the horseradish and the Hellmann's mayo. 2-to-1 ratio, as I said, in favor of the horseradish sauce. We get some cheese slices ready to go. So, we're going to put a dab on each bottom bun here. Just a dab will do you. Maybe a dab and a quarter, who knows. You want to spread that liberally all around there. Just like so. And away we go. Alright, now I think we're going to start with the cheddar at the bottom here. We got some slices here up on each bun. And then we're going to throw some ham down in just a moment. Top them off with some Swiss. Put them in the oven roughly probably 15-20 minutes, give or take. Just enough to get them ooey gooey and oh so delicious. I tell you what, I think I said earlier, maybe not, but not every delicious meal has to be hard, not to be a crazy concept. You can make this meal for your family really quick and easy. So, move some stuff around here. We'll throw some ham on each bun. Then in the middle we'll finish with some cheese. If you please, we'll put it in the oven, good to go. Speaking of that, we're going to want to preheat the oven back to about 300 degrees. And we're going to do that for, roughly probably 20 minutes once we get everything squared away there. They're pretty big sandwiches. We're going to build these and then be ready to go. You want to put just a couple slices per, because also we're going to top these with some shredded, then just a little bit more ham, a little bit more cheese. top buns on. Good to go, because this is a hot ham and cheese sandwich, of course. A lot of cheese. Don't worry about making a mess as long as it ends up on the tray. It'll be just fine. You want a whole bunch of ooey gooey cheesy goodness. If I don't say so myself. I know you can't see the bottom buns by now, which that is absolutely fine. Once we get these things topped with cheese, then we're going to put these in the oven. We're going to top them with some good old butter. It's just going to be absolutely amazing. This is the simplest meal you can make. There's 4 or 5 ingredients, nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy. If I can get the cheese unstuck here, do that. Now they are going to be monster grilled or ham and cheese sandwiches, rather. They are. They're going to be absolutely spectacular. Absolutely. Well, I'll tell you what here. Let's just dab a little bit more on each one here. A bit of that. Alright, move this off to the side here. We're going to top each of these with a good old bun here. Bada bing, bada boom. Now actually here, we got to top a little bit of the top. I apologize everybody. As you can tell, this is drunken food. That happens to the best of us. Good. Now we'll top them, as I said. And we're going to smother these in some liquid butter. Wrap them in foil. Get them in the oven. I'm going to get the butter right now. I got the liquid butter here, everybody. We're going to get ourselves a nice spoon here. And we're going to coat every square centimeter of these things. The more butter, the better, I promise you. Don't worry about over drizzling, anything like that. Put as much as you can on there, that's what I always say. Just like that, right? You want to make sure every square inch is covered. Okay. Now we're going to get some aluminum foil. We'll get into the oven. Don't be afraid to wrap these things twice. They're going to be so decadent, I promise you. It is worth the wait. It is worth the wait. Put them on for about 20 minutes, give or take there. We're ready to eat. As I say, everybody, what do you say? That's right. Remember, always stay hydrated. Alright everybody, we have the sandwiches out, ready to go. We're going to cool just a minute. I tell you, we're going to plate, well, like I said, in just a minute here. We're going to take a dab of either and every in each. We're ready to go. The Jim Beam was delicious. We got some Rumple Mints 100 proof up ready after that. She's out. We got some Michelob Ultra left over. It's always delicious, I tell you what. Might as well give her a shout. Now we're going to plate and go for the finale. And away we go. Alright, buddy. I have the sandwich slice ready to go, as you can see here. And as always, hold on here, hold on. Remember to like and subscribe.